What's up, YouTube? Oh, sorry about the wind. I think the mission is to try and build a snowboard rail in my backyard. We're gonna go to Menards here in a bit after I get some of this built and get some AstroTurf that I can get wet, and it'll allow me to slide. We'll see if it even works. I'm gonna set up the time lapse here over here and get to work. We're pretty much together here. Let's see, go up to the top. Got our sketchy little launch pad here. We'll strap in here, jump down, and we got our ramp. This is going to be our rail section. Little ramp, and then we'll put AstroTurf over that. Then we're going to cut this down somewhere in here. It won't be a very big rail, pretty much just scraps. We had an old swing set. I'm gonna run to the store here and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm back from Menards. Just not comfortable with the camera yet, but I did not get AstroTurf. I got this outdoor carpet stuff. So I'll show you a little more, but it's only 20 bucks. So I got 2 rolls. Should have plenty. You already know. There's the Menards run. Let's get to it. About out of sunlight here, but I think the GoPro shut off right when I was finishing. We got the ramp here with the rail. So the rail isn't completely on. I think we should be fine. We got our plywood under there holding it down. We got our carpet all the way. Easy to just go on. Put the top carpet over the bottom carpet, so hopefully it'll slide over. If it doesn't work, we'll have to try and use soapy water. Give this a shot. Well, that doesn't work. I'll try it again tomorrow with some water and maybe some soap. All right, I'm a little sweaty because I tested it out. It works. Changed it up a little bit. We got PVC now. We're 1 short, so tomorrow I'll go get another one. We'll have 4 wide. It'll be like a mini box. We got to run up here. Soapy water works amazing. Woo! Let's do some runs.